Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through the touch controls on the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses so you can easily manage calls, music, and more right from your frames. Now the question is, where are the touch controls? They are located onto the right arm of your glasses just behind your temple. And there are three types of controls: music, media, and call controls. Let's dive in first with the music and media controls. Now to play or pause a music, all you're gonna do is to single tap onto the right arm of your glasses. And to skip to the next track, just simply double tap. While on to go to the previous track is to triple tap. Now to volume up the music you are listening to is just simply swipe forward, and to volume down is to swipe background. Now when it comes onto the call controls, to answer or end a specific call, all you're gonna do is to single tap. While on reject a call is pressed and hold. You can also use a voice assistant, like activates Meta AI for commands like take a photo or what's the weather, hey Meta. Those are the three kind of voice assistants. Make sure the glasses are turned on and connected via Bluetooth. You can adjust sensitivity or disable some gestures in the Meta View AI. That's your quick guide to mastering the touch controls on the Meta Smart glasses. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.